Hello Transformation. Are you guys trying to achieve the Foxy Eye tutorial? I'm going to use my eyeliner here. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first you're just going to start here. You're just going to go straight across. Then layer. And then you're going to come back in. Just like that. And then you're just going to go in here. In the inner corner, I'm going to follow that line there. And then you're just going to go like that. And I'm going to go with my concealer to clean it up just a little bit. And I'm going to use this. And I'm going to blend my concealer out. So this is how you get the foxy eye look. You just draw like straight across and then you just apply some in here. And then just go across like that. So see? I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. So you're just going to take your eyeliner and you're just going to start here in the middle and then you're just going to do it like that. To the end point of your eyebrow. And then you're just going to apply it in here. And just go across. And that is it. That's how you just achieve the foxy eye tutorial look. And you look fabulous. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Very simple. Take about 2 or 3 minutes. So no worries. So when you draw out, just draw it straight out. And you're going to have it connected to the end of your eyebrow. Same thing. And you're just going to draw a line in here. And then you're going to go like in there. So it's like a triangle inside. So I hope you guys did enjoy my foxy eye tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more content, beauty tricks. And thank you guys so much for all the love and positive energy. Thank you guys so much. And we're going to keep growing and keep going. We're going to transform and evolve. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.